to garden, quilt, and art traditions. Today we will be making the queen, the Cadillac of kombucha. Classic kombucha is made with black tea, sugar, whatever sweetener you decide. But today we are making it with the following ingredients: green tea, kombucha SCOBY, raw honey, and because some of my ginger in my MIG Grow Off broke, I'm going to brew that in the tea. Basically, kombucha is a fermented drink full of probiotics, and it's good for the stomach. It's very good for the stomach. As you see, again, I repeat, I will be using 2 cups of green tea. I'm going to boil 8 green tea bags for 10 minutes. My water is already boiling. I will add the kombucha culture. I have made so much kombucha that I don't have any more culture left. No more SCOBY. SCOBY is an acronym abbreviation for symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast. SCOBY. The premium kombucha we're making today is actually called JUN, like the month of June without the E. JUN, like Nancy. Okay, I will turn the camera off for a minute while I open the tea bags and boil them for 10 minutes. I'm sure we can all do that without me. By the way, I use filtered water for my fermented drinks, but if you don't have filtered water or a fancy system, just boil your water for 10 minutes. The old-fashioned way, old school, you boil it for 10 minutes, let it cool, and then you drink it. Okay, so my water is boiling. I'll be right back after the tea has cooled enough to add the honey. Okay, be right back. Okay, family, we're back making the fancy version of kombucha, and you will see that the green tea has been boiled. We boiled it for 10 minutes, let it cool to room temperature. You test it on your hand to make sure that it's not warm, just like you would a baby bottle. Okay, then you simply take it and pour it into your 1-gallon jar that you have already prepared. You see the pan is empty. We used 8 ounces of honey. This is a 32-ounce bottle jar, and you see I use a little over a third. Then we take, I'm going to put this on the side, the kombucha. I've opened it from the container. Oops, there's the SCOBY, along with 12 ounces of tea. I poured that as well into the 1-gallon container. Then, because it's convenient for me, I'm going to add distilled water up to, I'm going to leave room to let it breathe. Taking a non-metal spoon, stirring it thoroughly. I happen to use Costco Kirkland green tea bags, What I like about these is they don't have a string on them when you fish them back out. So you see the SCOBY is in here, the green tea, the honey, and that's it, folks. I take and I put one filter on top. Be right back, I forgot the rubber band. Because the point is to let it get plenty of air and let it breathe. This is just a standard coffee filter. I've already labeled what it is. It's called JUN, J-U-N, a fancy version of kombucha. And that's it. That's all there is. We wait 10 days. We take the SCOBY out, filter it into bottles, and add whatever fruit or flavor we want. So we'll see you in 10 days. Love you. If you like this video, please comment, subscribe, come back in 10 days. We will have our finished JUN or kombucha made with green tea and honey. Have a great day. Love you.